You asked and I'm delivering. Today, I'm sharing a short hair tutorial and some tips to keep our hair in tip-top condition. Did you know that a whopping 88% of women say their hair is related to their self-confidence? I think it's safe to say the vast majority of us consider our hair our crowning glory and key to both our physical and mental well-being. So it's important to keep an eye on our hair health because healthy hair is one of the first signs of overall health. If our hair is vibrant and shiny, that's an indication our body is producing enough vitamins and nutrients that our body is operating at its peak. But sometimes our hair is anything but that. Stress from the environment, a life-changing event, or menopause can impact the health of our hair. So if you've noticed dry, frizzy hair or changes to your hair in general, that might be time to change your diet or hair care routine. Because let's face it, hair dryers, curling irons, straighteners, bleach, or chemicals impact our hair. Let's take a look at some simple tips to keep our hair in tip-top condition. Sleep on silk. Yes, switch your cotton pillowcase for a silk pillowcase. Silk pillowcases are not only good for our skin, but our hair. Silk protects the cuticles of your hair by reducing the friction between your hair and fabric. So let's make the most of our beauty sleep by choosing a silk pillowcase. And I happen to love Slip. That's what I've been sleeping on for years. Protect your hair from the sun. UV rays cause damage to our skin and hair. A hat is one of my go-to solutions all summer long. Not only does a hat protect my face, but my hair. And I think they look pretty great with all of my summer outfits. But if you're not a hat person, I've discovered that you can apply a leave-in styler to protect your hair from an array of environmental factors. And the next tip is minimize heat styling. 100 years ago, we didn't have special tools for our hair like hair dryers or curling irons or straighteners that help us quickly style our hair after our morning showers. Instead, we would wash our hair once a week, usually at night, and let our hair dry naturally. Fast forward to the 21st century and we have all sorts of hair tools to choose from, some good and some not so good. Through the years, I've discovered a variety of hair products to keep my hair healthy, but the key to shiny and smooth hair are the hair tools I use. Today, I'm thrilled to partner with Zuvi Halo, who introduced their award-winning hair dryer several years ago. I partnered with Zuvi Halo last fall here on YouTube, and some of you might remember that. And then again, I partnered with them over on my blog, now Instagram stories, and I'm back here on YouTube sharing the Zuvi Halo hair dryer. What's unique about Zuvi Halo hair dryer is it uses infrared light rather than traditional convection heat to dry the hair. The light care technology is patented and was developed to minimize energy usage. Electric bills have been skyrocketing recently. Anyone else notice that? And hair damage due to heat. It's less hot than conventional hair dryer. Instead, it mimics the light of the sun. Zuvi Halo hair dryer comes with 3 attachments: a diffuser, gentle air, which is perfect to style close to our sensitive scalp, and styler. I typically use this attachment at the end of my blow dry to straighten and shape my hair. Zuvi also has 5 different modes ranging in speed and heat level. I can see why Allure magazine awarded Zuvi Halo Allure Best of Beauty in 2022 Breakthrough Awards. After using Zuvi Halo for several months, I can see why. It's well deserved. If you want to try Zuvi Halo hair dryer for yourself, they're offering my subscribers 10% off your purchase with code BETH10, and everything is linked down below. And honestly, let me know what you think about Zuvi Halo hair dryer if you do purchase it, because as I said, I have been a big believer for at least, 6-7 months now. It's just been a big game changer for my hair. The next tip is turn down the temp in your shower. Heat is not our friend, not with our clothes and not with our bodies. I know, I love a steamy shower as much as the next person, especially during the cold winter months. Sometimes I'm loath to get out because I know I'm going to face the cold air temperatures, but a daily hot shower takes its toll on our scalp and it weakens our hair. So turn down the temp of your shower, and if possible, I know it can be tricky, a little bit challenging, but at the end of your shower, do a quick cold water rinse to seal the cuticles, boost shine, and maintain healthy hair. Recently, I've incorporated a 1-minute cold rinse to my shower routine. I know, it's a little, as I said, it's tricky and challenging, especially at first, but I've worked my way up to 1 minute, and now I'm working my way up to at least 2 minutes if possible, because the health benefits are incredible. It helps reduce inflammation, improves circulation, and lowers stress levels. It takes some getting used to, but I'm telling you, it really is invigorating. And if you love this content and want to support the channel, the biggest way you can do that is hitting the subscription box down below and the notification bell. My next healthy hair tip is eat a balanced diet. Some tips are really based on common sense, but they bear repeating, especially since many of us have neglected our diet. But that old saying, you are what you eat, is 100% true. Since our hair is mostly made up of protein, eating a balanced diet of protein-rich food is of utmost importance. So add these items to your grocery cart next time you're shopping. Fish, meat, eggs, chicken, tuna, yogurt, and if you think that yogurt has too much sugar, go for a Greek yogurt, or recently I was introduced to Too Good yogurt, which only has 2 grams of sugar, almonds, and Ezekiel bread. But don't forget berries, spinach, and avocados are rich in vitamin C and E, which help boost collagen production, resulting in stronger hair. And since we're talking about collagen, my next tip is add collagen. Several years ago, I partnered with Collagen for Her, who makes some amazing collagen products that I can't live without. Why? Collagen strengthens not only my hair, but nails, and keeps my skin healthy too. Collagen is the protein responsible for healthy joints, healthy bones, healthy skin, nails, and hair. It's no secret that as we age, our bodies produce less collagen each and every year, starting at the tender age of 25. By the time we hit 60, yours truly is fast approaching 65, it's considered normal for a considerable decline in collagen production. I've been a big fan of Collagen for Her for some time. Taking daily collagen supplements improves the hydration and elasticity of my skin and keeps my hair and nails strong. I always notice a difference if I lapse in taking this supplement. And if you haven't heard the good news, all month long, all April, I am hosting a giveaway for 2 subscribers to win a $250 gift card to the retailer of your choice. And how you enter is so easy, and everything is linked down below. First, subscribe to my newsletter, and you have 2 choices, a weekly newsletter and a daily post. And I go into so much detail on the topics that you love over here on YouTube, and lots of information about health and wellness, makeup, skincare, fashion, Fridays with Oscar with cocktails and recipes, just jam-packed with wonderful content that you love. And the second is I share a code word every video that you have to drop down in the comment section down below, and I'll share that at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Next tip for healthy hair is get a regular cut or trim. Even if your hair is long, you need a regular trim. That might be every 10 to 12 weeks, but it is important for a regular trim to keep hair healthy and avoid split ends. Short hair like mine requires frequent trips to the hair salon, and I typically go about every 6 weeks or so just to keep the style in shape. My next tip for healthy hair is don't brush your hair when it's wet. Wet hair is vulnerable to breakage and can stretch and break easily if it's brushed. After I wash my hair, I use a wide tooth comb instead of a brush. It works wonders. And my next tip for healthy hair is choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Using the wrong shampoo and conditioner, and even the wrong styling products, can do significant damage to our hair. Surprising, right? So look for products that are right for your hair, if it's oily, normal, or dry, and then avoid harsh ingredients like sulfates. I've had great success with the Kerastase line, Hair Biology, and Olaplex really does help strengthen and repair damaged hair. My next tip for healthy hair is take time for a hair mask. Using a moisturized hair mask once a week keeps my hair hydrated, smooth, soft, and shiny. And I love Nioxin. And now many of you have requested another short hair tutorial, so we will get into that. But I did want to share just a few of the products that I do use when I style my hair. And one is a ceramic ion brush. I have a very big barrel that really gives me a very smooth look than as opposed to a smaller barrel. And then the Zuvi hair dryer, Zuvi Halo hair dryer. Absolutely love this, and I'll turn it on. I'll try to keep it away from my microphone a little bit, but you can hear how absolutely quiet it is. It's the quietest hair dryer. It has different settings, care, fast, soft, style, and then of course a cool button. I usually use the cool button at the very end to really kind of straighten my hair a little bit. And I absolutely love, so there's 3 attachments, the diffuser, and it's the magnetic attachment. It's just so slick. And then the other 2, this one, this is the, I believe this is the airflow, and then this is the style. So I like the style attachment because that really gives me just that very fine attention to different sections of my hair, and then I can really manipulate it into the style that I want. So let's get going into the tutorial, but I will, and we talked about some products. So I use this Kerastase, and this is their Keratin Thermique, and this really helps keep my hair smooth and straight. Because my hair is really kind of wavy and crazy and a little bit frizzy. So I just do just a little dab. You really don't need very much. I think sometimes we can be heavy-handed with our hair products, and that never really serves us well. So I get that all in place, and now we're going to dry my hair. And today's code word for your chance to win a $250 gift card for the retailer of your choice is healthy hair. And a big thank you to Zuvi Halo Hair Dryer for this sponsored post. And thank you, my lovely subscribers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscription box, and I'll see you again very, very soon.